Okay, what we're going to do first is we're going to review what we did yesterday with the equations, but what we're going to do is I'm going to have each person come up, and you're going to do the first step and then rewrite a new equation, and then someone else is going to pick up where you guys left off. Good. George, next step. So like 3 or 4 people are going to be doing one problem at a time. All right, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to put a problem on the board. Okay, we'll just kind of warm up with this one. 3x minus 1 over 8 equals 4. Jerry, when you have a chance, do just the first step.
So you multiply it by 8.
Good. And why are you multiplying by 8?
Because a fraction means divide.
Good. Fraction means divide. So what he's doing, he's getting rid of the fraction part.
So get
Good.
rid of that. Multiply this by 8.
Good.
32.
Good. So first step. Jerry said he was multiplying by 8 because this is a divide by 8. Fractions are divide. Okay, so to undo that, you multiply, and that gets rid of the fraction. Now, does this look like a regular equation you know how to solve?
Yes.
Yeah, George, next step. Good.
32
Mm-hmm.
divided by 8 is 4.
Good, and that's what we wanted, right?
Yeah.
Good. So we showed that he checked. What if, let's say we did our math wrong and we thought that was 9, I don't know. What would happen when we plugged it in? You would have gotten it wrong. Let's try it. So Tommy, so 3x minus 1 over 8 equals 4. And let's say we're plugging in a 9 here.
Yeah.
Okay, what's 3 times 9?
27.
27. Okay, and you're going to get 27 minus 1?
26.
Okay, so you're getting 26 divided by 8 equals 4. Is that going to get a decimal?
Yes.
Okay, and decimals are okay. But do we want it to be a decimal?
No.
No, we want it to be a whole number. So 26 divided by 8, is that going to be 4? No. So just keep in mind, if you plug it in and you're not getting what you're supposed to be getting, that means you didn't do it right. That means there's a mistake in here. It could be positive and negative. It could be you just did your math wrong. It could be you went in the wrong order. You tried to do a wrong step. Okay, hard ones. You ready? Let's make it really tricky. Let's do this one. 4 parentheses w minus 9 equals 7w plus 18. Okay, so I need a volunteer. Nathan? Okay, what do you think your first step is going to be?
Distribute.
Good. You still see distributive property?
You get to do one step again.
You only get to do one step. Thank you, Nathan. You can take a seat. Now you notice that there's 2 variables. We've never seen this before where you have variables on both sides. What we're going to do is we're going to collect them. We're going to take the variables on one side and we're going to move them over. So we want variables on one side and numbers on the other. I usually suggest pick the side that has the bigger coefficient. Okay, we're not dividing to split up the 4 and the w. We want to take the entire thing and move it over. Now does this look like an equation you know? Okay, we took all the variables and put them on this side, on the right, which means the next step is we're going to take all the numbers and put it on the left. So Tommy. Good. Raise your hand. Jerry.
Divide by 3.
Good. Divide by 3 is the last step. Look at your work carefully. Did you miss a negative somewhere? That's probably the first thing. Do not just make it negative and just try it. What about this one? 3n plus 7 equals 2n minus 1. When you get your final answer, don't ask me to check it for you. How about you check it yourself? Plug it in and see if it works. You're going to either add or subtract. Because you're trying to get rid of it entirely. So if you add 2n to both sides, did you get rid of 2n? You subtract 2n because you want to get rid of that 2n. 2n minus 2n.
And then you do it to the same
Mm-hmm.
side. So you get 1n.
Mm-hmm. Which one?
I don't know what to do with this minus sign.
Oh, there's no minus sign.
So just
The negative 9k and the positive 9k got rid of the minus sign. Okay, you guys can finish the problem you're on, and then you can go to lunch. The rest of it's for homework.